Nonprofit consulting is simple. It is not mysterious. It is not corporate. It is simply this: sharing your knowledge to solve a problem for a nonprofit. That's it. Hey, I'm Catalina, former nonprofit leader turned consultant after burnout, panic attacks, and a dream job that almost broke me. Now I help mission-driven people build consulting businesses that pay them well and help nonprofits thrive. Today, I want to explain exactly what nonprofit consulting is in real human language. At its core, consulting is this: a nonprofit has a problem, you have the expertise, and they pay you to guide them, fix it, or build the solution with them. So it is not about being the smartest person in the room with all the answers. It is about bringing structure and strategy to a situation that feels messy to the organization. There are two types of consulting work. So think of consulting as two lanes. Most consultants do a mix of both of these. There's advisory services, so this is strategy and guidance. This is when a nonprofit hires you for your brain. You're analyzing, assessing, recommending, guiding. You are the strategic thought partner in this situation. So examples could be auditing an organization's fundraising program, building a comms strategy, creating a donor segmentation plan, mapping out a 12-month board development roadmap, facilitating strategic planning retreats, coaching the executive director on messaging or leadership. You are not doing the work for them. You are telling them what to do and how to do it. That's the difference here. And then the second type of consulting service is implementation or done-for-you services. This is when an organization hires you to execute. So you're doing the working power that they don't have in-house. Examples of this could be managing their social media channels, writing grant proposals, setting up a CRM, designing email campaigns, producing an annual report, writing fundraising copy. Done for you is skill heavy and often higher value because you are saving organizations time and bandwidth. Okay, so now you understand what consulting is and the two different types of services, advisory or implementation. Now I want to talk about why nonprofits hire consultants. Okay, so they hire consultants because they have problems that they cannot solve alone as an organization. And here's why. One, they have capacity gaps, right? So they are understaffed. Staff are already doing 3 jobs. You come in and fill the gap as a consultant. Number 2, your expertise that the organization simply doesn't have. They might not be big enough to have that level of expertise. 3, a nonprofit might hire a consultant as an outside voice, right? A neutral third party, because a board might listen to a consultant in a way that they don't listen to staff, which is sad, but true. Reason number 4 of a nonprofit might want to hire a consultant. Okay, so they have temporary needs a lot of the time where they do not necessarily need a full-time employee. They just need a specific project completed. An example might be a 5-year strategic plan, or an example might be setting up a new donor database or doing a database migration. They're not going to need to hire a database manager. Maybe somebody on the development team will just take over that instead of hiring a full-time database person. 5th reason nonprofits might want to hire a consultant: faster results. So staff are juggling 1,000 fires, as you know, but consultants get things done faster because they are focused. They don't have the millions of things going on externally. The 6th reason why nonprofits will want to hire consultants: a lot of the time, hiring a consultant is more affordable than hiring a staff person, because when you hire staff, we are talking benefits, payroll taxes, onboarding, turnover. It's a lot of time, and consulting can be a smarter financial choice for the organization in the long run. And finally, the last reason why nonprofits might want to hire consultants: funders literally pay for consultants sometimes. So a lot of grants allow or encourage bringing in outside experts because it improves outcomes. All right, that's it. That's what nonprofit consulting really is in plain simple terms: sharing your knowledge to solve problems through strategy or through services or both. If you are wondering whether consulting could be the right next chapter for you, take our free quiz in the description. You will get a personalized breakdown plus a short video from me explaining your results.